Hi guys, today we are going to have introduction to logic. Logic helps us make sense of arguments and ideas in a clear and structured way. In this representation, we'll explore three powerful rules of inference using in logical reasoning. But first of all, we need to know what are rules of inference. Rules of inference help us draw valid conclusions from given statements, which is premises. Let's break them down using simple logic, symbols, and real-life examples. First of all, we have modus ponens, which is direct reasoning. The symbol is if P implies Q and P is true, then Q is true. In this example, P is if it is rain and Q is the ground is wet. It rains, so the ground is wet. The second example is the P premises is if the rocket fuel system is stable, then Q1 is then the launch can proceed. The rocket fuel system is stable, therefore the launch can proceed. For the second one, we have disjunctive syllogism. The symbol we use is P or Q, not P implies Q, which means P represents either I will study and Q represent or watch movies. So I didn't study, so I watch movies. And guys, do you ever notice in Marvel movies we can actually apply these logical symbols in their scene, which is P, either Thanos has the time stone or Doctor Strange still does. Thanos already used the time stone at the end of the movie, therefore Doctor Strange doesn't have it anymore. And the last one, we have hypothetical syllogism. The symbol is if P implies Q and Q implies R, then P implies R. In this case, P implies Q is if I get good grades, I will graduate with honors. Q implies R, if I graduate with honors, I'll get a scholarship. And then P implies R, so if I get a good grades, I'll get a scholarship. So guys, our personal reflection in this project is learning these inference rules help us think more clearly and avoid false conclusions. We can apply them in daily life, from decision making to debates, writing, and even social media arguments. Thank you for watching. Bye!